is a little bit parent, little bit teacher, and a whole lot of best friends. Welcome. Very good morning to parents. Welcome, and a very good morning to parents, friends, teachers, assembly to this morning's assembly based on the theme celebrating grandparents. We are here to celebrate amazing people who are the heart of our families, our grandparents. They give us so much love. They hold our story. They hold our family stories, give us so much love, and make every moment with them special. We began the assembly by standing to attention for the UAE national anthem. Put your feet together and hands by your side. Let's refresh our minds with some meditation. Stand in a comfortable position with your back straight. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in. And again breathe out. Now breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly open your eyes. Let's Then asked, what is your name and how old are you?
My name is Arjun. I'm 8 years old and I want to be a firefighter.
My name is Umar. I'm 7 years old. Once I grow up, I want to be a football player. My name is Ditya. When I want to grow up, I want to be a doctor.
My name is Ihan. I want to be a firefighter.
My name is Naman. I want to be a policeman. Hi. I want to become a pilot. Hi, my name is Elisa. I'm 8 years old. I want to be a singer and an artist.
My name is Dinanj. I want to be a pilot and a car engineer when I grow up.
How do you say I love my grandpa and grandma nowadays? We say Anna uhibbu jatti wa jattati. Let us all say together. Jattati. Let us say it again. Anna uhibbu jatti wa jattati. All the myths about grandparents today. They're strong, they're adventurous, they're then savvy and full of life. So let's give a big cheer for our grandparents, the ones who fill our life with so much love and laughter. Now sit back and get ready to be delighted by our special performance as we celebrate our grandparents.
Miss Martin is not here. She was here. She saw the best part of the assembly also. Okay? So I will address instead. Is that fine? Yeah? Okay. Okay, first, I think let's give a huge round of applause. This was like a fabulous assembly. So well done, Miss Shilpa. Miss Shilpa and where is Miss Anushri hiding? There you go, there she is. So well done both of you. This was really nice. Everything come together so well. We had a few last minute changes and I must say, you've adapted so beautifully. I don't think anyone knew what last minute changes were. Wonderful. Good job. So we have our celebration of grandparents. It's so absolutely fabulous to have you. Can we have all the grandparents come forward, please? Whoever has come, if you could please join me here. That's so nice. Thank you so much. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Let's introduce Eileen. So this is Eileen's grandmother. Where's Eileen? Hey, you want to come join? Come. Yes.
I'm Rama Ajay and Vedant's grandmother.
Eileen's grandfather. Oh, and we have another lovely grandmother who just joined us. Yes, yes, we will. Yeah.
I am Laksh Virani. Came from India. So thank you.
So let's give them another round of applause. It's absolutely lovely, isn't it? Okay, so what was our assembly about today? It was about? Yeah, it was about grandparents, but what was the theme? It was about myth busting. What's a myth? What's a myth? Please have a seat. You can have a seat. Yeah? What's a myth? Very nice. Something that's not true. It could be true, but that's why we call it myth busting, right? So did we bust all those myths today? Because I think nowadays we have our grandparents who are fit, they're hearty, they're healthy, they want to spend so much time doing loving things for all of us, right? Yeah? Alright, so thank you. You want to go back? Please go back. Anyway, we have our Grandparents' Day celebrations coming up on Monday. I hope all of you will be there. I look forward to seeing you all there as well. And again, thank you parents. You're welcome to also join us. Just come. It's always nice to have everyone around. Again, thank you so much, ma'am, for that lovely assembly. Back to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Let us all stand straight to attention for the school song.
Bye.
Good morning, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed the assembly. As we come to the end of the assembly, on behalf